Ready to start or move forward in your career? Pop the hood and enter the world of automotive technology. Our program at Cypress College equips students to diagnose and repair a wide range of automotive-related problems for all vehicles, including hybrid electric. Pursue careers as technicians, service managers, or even automotive engineers. Hands-on lessons with state-of-the-art equipment prepare you to excel from day one. Our instructors are industry professionals who bring real-world experience to the classroom. Earn certificates in as little as 1 semester or complete degrees for transfer to 4-year colleges and universities. Cypress College is an Aspen Prize Top 150 U.S. community college and an equity champion of higher education for Latinx students with other national and state recognitions. Whether you're embarking on your first career, enhancing your professional knowledge, or making a move to a new field, you can build your future here. Start today at careers.cypresscollege.edu to begin your journey.